Welcome back to another Late Start Racing Tech Tip. Today we're going to talk about sharpening tungstens. I've got the ugliest tungsten I could find in the bin, and we're going to sharpen this for doing stainless steel DC TIG welding with a nice sharp point. You don't have to have an expensive tungsten sharpener to do this, to have a really high quality tungsten sharpening experience. All you need is you need a virgin stone on a grinder, something that hasn't ground anything but tungsten. You have your drill that I know you have, and you just chuck your tungsten up in the drill. You want to get your angle just right. Never sharpen this way. It makes the arc swirl, or it makes the arc wander. Always sharpen into the stone. We'll turn our grinder on. And I want to go slow so I don't make a swirl on the tip. Get the angle just right for the sharpness that you want, and just in a few seconds we have a super nice point on there. So when we go to do our welding now, we're gonna have a nice stable arc. We can make some really clean welds. Thanks for watching.